So outdoor-aholic. Okay, blind turn.
I don't know where to go.
Blind turn, watch out. Whoa! Uncommon thing in a common situation, was able to position himself a little bit better. Or, I'm sorry, for safety.
Talk about the whole situation, but the driver didn't even bother to apologize.
He almost crashed right there. So here's the thing. Doing that U-turn and then accelerating, he lifted it up and almost fell over. So now aggression is taking control of this situation. It was a terrible situation, but you made it. So leave it alone. Bad driver shares lane. Okay, merging issue. Our lane is moving faster. They want to move over into our lane. It's just common. Look, you can see it even right here. Our lane is moving faster. Blind spot, did not get seen. Inattentional blindness, everything. All right, great music for Moto Stars. Hey, this is definitely a dumb rider right here, going in and out of traffic, thinking he's a Moto Street Rossi, whatever it is. But he panicked because that vehicle was stopping, slammed that brake, and dumped the bike. Not good. And now he's going to be late to work. Just kidding, he doesn't have any work. He's acting like an idiot like that. So my shoulder hits his mirror. Uh-oh. Okay, lane filtering. We have a very small space cushion to the left and right. Watch out for hazards up front. Oh, watch out for that. Duck. Nice little hit. Got honked. That's a hit and run. That's a hit and run. If that was a car hitting another car's mirror, people would be wanting to talk and it would have been a collision. So, yes, I did break the bike.
He didn't expect this maneuver, which completely affected the...
Where does he come from? Oh, side of the vehicle, into the side of the vehicle. All right, so Snorb. Here we go. Watch out for this car right here. We're getting in the blind spot. There it is. Now, remember, this is the stuff we talk about in the MTC Rider Academy. You only get it, it's $4.99 to get the Smart Rider Basic Training course. And this is the first unit. We talk about situational awareness and patterns like this. It's almost loosing the R6. The dude runs me off the highway into a pothole. Uh-oh. So we get pushed over. Remember, our lane is moving, their lane isn't. There's the pothole. Watch out for your rim. So next time you're able to get off the interstate or park, take a look at your rim. Hopefully there's no damage to the rim so you're not losing any air. Silver Saver 82. Here we go. Green light. Just because it's green does not mean go. Non-issue. That's the issue. So when you're focused on somebody being dumb pulling out in front of you and you don't see the other person pulling out in front of you, that is what's going to get you. So once this person goes across, achievement unlocked, you're not going to collide. Look forward, look forward, look forward. Okay? Bike on his 400 Ninja. All right. Corner. Looks like a little bit of dirt on the road, a little bit of a panic. Okay, so Flintstoning it does not help, so commit to the turn, look through the turn, go through the turn. That's Unit 2 in our MTC Rider Academy of the fundamental skills. Okay, we do the situation awareness, maintaining, and acquiring using personal protective equipment. Uh-oh. Oh, got hit, impact, down on the ground, no gear. Hopefully not a lot of road rash, but there probably is. Now remember, we have rescue cards. The PDFs on the Academy, so if you need to have that for future use, please download it. Christian Diaz.
The driver completely ignored the red light, giving the biker no chance.
Okay, Christian. Okay, go. Just kidding. So we hit the truck. That's why if it's green does not always mean go. Okay, take a quick look left, right, a few times if you have to. Maybe let one of the cars go out in front and get hit so that you are not. But don't just gun it across the intersection, everybody. That's not what you should be doing, class. Please don't be doing that. Wait a little bit. Check and make sure everyone's stopping. And then go ahead and go. Okay?